What if you could automate 90% of your OfferLab tasks? That's exactly why I built the designer's OfferLab GPT, a custom AI tool that handles almost everything for you, from brainstorming your offer IDs to packaging deliverables, writing your listing copy, and even generating affiliate swipes, all done for you. And the best part, you can get this GPT for absolutely free, including all the prompts that I'm about to show you. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works so you can see how fast and easy it is to go from nothing to a live OfferLab listing. Now, before we dive in, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what kind of design offers you would love to launch. And don't forget, the link to sign up for your free OfferLab account is in the description. If you upgrade to certification, you will also unlock a stack of bonuses that'll help you to start the right way. All right, so first thing we're going to do is give the GPT a little bit of context about who you are and what you do. This way, we don't have to keep re-explaining your service in every single step. Now, here's the prompt. So I actually wrote this down already, so it's a little bit easier to follow. So the prompt is, you are my designer's OfferLab assistant. I'm creating a new OfferLab listing. And then there's going to be a bunch of questions that you have to answer, but it all makes sense in a bit. So for me, what is your design specialty? I help graphic designers make money online. Who is your dream client? Graphic designers who are fed up chasing clients and feeling undervalued. They have minimal marketing knowledge, and so on, right? So this is a couple of questions, and these couple of questions are so important. It's going to make sure that you don't have to keep repeating yourself. After answering all these questions, it's going to give a project snapshot. And this whole snapshot, it will use throughout the whole project. Now let's actually brainstorm some offers, right? You don't want to just sell design services. You want clear, outcome-based packages that affiliates can easily promote. So here is the next prompt. Based on my project snapshot, brainstorm 10 offer ideas for my design niche. Each should be outcome-focused, have a clear time frame, be promotable by affiliates, easy to explain, desirable to sell. Format as a numbered list with short names plus outcome promises. So here you have a whole bunch of ideas basically that you can use. Like, you don't have to just use one. You can just take this whole system again and then just do it for offer number 2. So I actually chose the Freedom membership model, 30 days, right? Set up your recurring revenue membership as a designer and land your first paying members in a month. Cool. Now we're going to turn that idea into a structured offer. This means deliverables, timeline, what's included, what's not, and even bonuses that add value without adding more work, right? So here's the prompt. Using my project snapshot, create my offer structure. And then you have everything we just mentioned. Also suggest 3 to 5 bonuses, right? So look at this. This is really powerful. So this way, you're going to fully structurize your offer. So it gave me the deliverables, the timeline, basically everything that we just discussed. Now let's write the copy for your OfferLab listing. This is what people will see in the marketplace. So it has to be clear, short, and powerful. OfferLab's listing editor needs 3 specific fields: an introduction, a subtitle, and a description. Let's generate those now. So what I actually did, I went to OfferLab and I was going to take a look at the restrictions, right? So you can only have, in your introduction, you can only have a maximum of 250 characters, and in your subtitle, a maximum of 100 characters, right? So this is very important, because if it exceeds this, you will have to, you will copy this, you put it into OfferLab. OfferLab says, oh, you cannot do this, too many characters, and you have to come back to ChatGPT again. That's something that we want to avoid. Now, also provide 3 alternative intros for testing and 3 alternative subtitles for testing, right? Which is very important. You want to always test like what works best. Now we're going to generate 2 versions of long form sales page copy. OfferLab auto generates your sales page, but it's smart to have variations for split testing. So based on my listing info, generate 2 versions of full sales page copy. And then you get the headline, subhead, opening hook, story, problem, core offer, bonus tag. Everything that you've discussed above this will be mentioned in this, right? So you have draft A, benefit focused, right? And then you got your headline, turn your design skills into recurring income in just 30 days. Really good headline. Then we go to draft B, tired of chasing clients, endless revisions, and feeling undervalued. It actually took the pain points that I have mentioned before, right? Tired of chasing clients and feeling undervalued when we answered the questions. And based on that, it's going to give you the headline, right? And that's why it's so important to know who you're actually selling to. One of the coolest things about OfferLab is that affiliates can promote your offer for you. That's why we create plug and play email swipes and post for them. Paste this in. So what we're going to paste in is the prompt, right? So the prompt is write 3 email swipes and 3 short social post captions affiliates can use to promote my offer. Keep them simple and plug and play. clear on the outcome clients get, include a call to click the OfferLab link. So it's going to create all of that for you. So you also got the relevant data that you need for affiliates to promote your product, right? Because that's what OfferLab is all about. People can actually promote your product. So you need to make sure that everything is up to par. Now let's go to step 7, which is pre-launch checklist. Before you hit publish, let's make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Use this checklist prompt, okay? So then we're gonna copy and paste this prompt. Give me a pre-launch checklist to review before I click publish on my OfferLab listing. Include copy review, funnel test, preview link, visuals, policies, terms, revisions, ownership, and timeline. And that's basically it. And this is just one way, by the way. This is just for you so you can get started in OfferLab. Like if you do it more often, you're gonna need this less and less, but especially for beginners who are not familiar with creating offers and bonus stacks and all that stuff, this is going to help you tremendously. And that's it. You just saw how the designer's OfferLab GPT can automate 90% of the work it normally takes to get your design offers live inside of OfferLab. And the best part, you can grab the GPT for absolutely free, including all the prompts I showed you today. The link is waiting for you in the description. Start by creating your free OfferLab account. That'll unlock everything. And if you choose to upgrade to certification, you will also unlock a stack of bonuses designed to help you to get started the right way and maximize your results in OfferLab. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know what kind of design offer you'll be launching first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.